everyone. Now today we are going to learn about laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Before going to laws of reflection, we should know about the incident ray and reflected rays. It is a type of rays, incident ray and reflected ray. Now what is incident ray? Incident ray. Incident ray. Incident ray, the ray of light which falls on the surface of the mirror is called incident ray. Incident ray. Okay. The ray of light which falls on the surface of mirror is called incident ray. Ray of light which falls on the surface of the mirror is called incident ray. So we consider the mirror. We can consider it as horizontally as well as vertically. So we consider the mirror as vertical. It is vertical mirror. Now back side of the mirror is polished surface. This surface is polished surface. Polished surface. And front side is the reflecting surface. Now these rays coming into the mirror is incident ray. This is incident ray. Coming into the mirror is incident ray. Means the incident ray is a ray of light which falls on the surface of the mirror. This is surface. What surface is this? This is reflecting surface. Now ray of light which falls on the surface of the mirror is the incident ray. Next is reflected ray. Reflected ray. The ray of light which sent back by the mirror is called reflected ray. Okay, the ray of light which sent back by the mirror is called reflected ray. Means after incident, light will reflect. This ray sent back by the mirror. Ray of light which sent back by the mirror is called reflected ray. This ray is reflected ray. Okay. Now incident ray is coming into the mirror and it is towards the mirror. Incident ray is towards the mirror and reflected ray is away from the mirror. So incident ray is the ray which falls on the mirror surface and reflected ray is the ray which sent back by the mirror surface. Okay, this is incident and this one is reflected ray. Into the mirror is incident ray and away from the mirror is reflected ray. Okay. Now these are the rays of light. One thing is left here. This is known as normal. What is normal? Okay, normal. Okay, incident ray is the ray of light which falls on the surface of the mirror is incident ray, and sent back by the mirror is reflected ray. Now normal, what is normal? Normal is a line at right angle to the mirror surface at the point of incidence. Okay, the mirror is normal is a line. Normal is a line at right angle to the mirror surface at the point of incidence. So it is a line which is drawn perpendicular to the surface of the mirror. It is a normal line. It is a line which is drawn perpendicular to the surface of the mirror at the point of incidence. From the point of incidence is called normal. Okay, now we are going to the laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Now, according to this law, the incident ray, according to the laws of reflection, the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal to the point of incident, all lies in the same plane. This is number one law. All lie in the same plane. It means the incident ray, suppose this is a mirror, vertical mirror. It has a surface, one is reflected surface and another is polished surface. Incident ray, this is incident ray, and next is reflected ray, and normal to the point of incidence, all lie in the same plane. This is a plane. All lie in the same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal to the point of incidence, all lie in the same plane. This is a plane. This point. In the mirror, there are many points. Means there are many incident rays, there are many reflected rays, and there are many normal. So this is a case of only single point, only one point, case of one point. There are many points, so we can take more points, more than one points. This is a mirror. Now first case is, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray. Next is, this is incident ray, reflected ray. Incident ray, reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray, incident, reflected, incident, reflected. Okay, now count the number of points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means mirror has many points. Many points means light rays of light falls on the mirror surface, incident rays. So incident rays, there are many incident rays, many reflected rays, and many normal to the point of incidence. This is for this point and this point, and this is normal. Now for this point, this is normal. Now this point, for this point, this is normal. For this point, this is normal. So in mirror, there are many incident, many reflected ray, and many normal point. So that's why, according to laws of refraction, the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal to the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Means it is a single plane. It is one plane. So incident ray, reflected ray, and normal to the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Okay, now second law. According to second law, second law is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Second law is, it is the angle of incidence is equals to the angle of reflection. Now this is the mirror. It is mirror. It is incident ray. After refraction, it's sent back by the mirror. In between incident ray and reflected ray, there is a normal which is perpendicular to the surface of the mirror. This is incident ray IR, and this is reflected ray RR. So the angle of incidence is equals to the angle of reflection. Okay. Now second law is the angle of incidence is equals to the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence. Now what is the angle of incidence? Angle of incidence is the angle between normal and the incident ray is called angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is angle between the normal and the incident ray. It is denoted by I. So this angle is angle of incidence I. Angle between normal and the incident ray. Angle between normal, this is normal. Angle between normal and the incident ray is called angle of incidence. Now next is angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. This is angle between the normal and the reflected ray. Okay, it is denoted by R. It is denoted by R. Now the angle between the normal and the reflected ray is called angle of reflection. This is denoted by R. Now in second law, the angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. First law is the incident ray, reflected ray normal to the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. And the second law is incident angle is equals to the reflection angle, or angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. So therefore we can write angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection, and this is a mathematical form of second laws of reflection. Now these laws of reflections are applicable to all type of mirrors including spherical mirror. These are the laws of reflection. Now these laws of reflections are applicable to all types of mirrors including spherical mirror. Okay, now point to be noted. Note, these laws of reflection are applicable to all type of mirrors including spherical mirror. Okay, now this was for today. Next class we'll doing characteristics of image formed by plane mirror.